hosted another car meet, and a lot more cars came. A lot more cars. That's Petro Sounds right there, just leaving. RSX Type S, we got a tow truck, my car. We got Chris just came, he's late. Chris is late. Over here we got the foreign cars. Look at this. We got the M's over here. Yep. This is some eye candy. That's some eye candy. For real. Yeah, we got all the M's over here. Yo, what up, bro? Tiba in the spots with the E36. E36 Club. Got the bikes out here too. Gary brought out his X3M. Got another M. Wow. Beautiful cars, beautiful cars. And we got rows of cars this time. We got rows. Yo, we got rows of cars this time. Got music over here. Got the big body over here. A lot of cars out here today. A lot of cars this time. Damn, that's fire. A lot of cars. What's up, guys? It was not like this last time. It's popping. I told you. System rocking.
Now we have to bust the biggest set of shots. Use them keep on loving us. 100 a week, see me and them crush. See it back down, me no really rush. Run know the line, we really live it. My girl, your girl. Condon, cheap chat, me a mismatch. Get a lick up, brick drop. And me like me live up a big bad. In fact, me we bust a face with the jig grab. Gunman, you know fi fuck around. Be a top tell me not touch a clown. Just bust in her nose hole and me fuck a John. Designer beats and no run at all. Just hurt to the good woman, he bring power out. Tie and tight sides cover up. And then just drop a check in a this color cut.
That you know from back when. when you was clocking minor figures. Now they heard you blowing up like nitro, when they wanna stick the knife through your windpipe slow. So, like baby, wanna me, cause now I'm warning you. I got the Mac, nigga, tell me what you gonna do. Damn, niggas wanna stick me for my paper. Damn, niggas wanna stick me for my paper. Damn, niggas wanna stick me.
Later, bro. Ride safe. It sounds like Need for Speed. Sound like Need for Speed. I mean, Fast and Furious. I said Need for Speed. Pum Pum Eater. That's what you like to listen to? Short Boss? They don't do them like that no more. Check that out. That.
Technically, I'm gonna be in my 10th.
Not one for the community the way you are going. Not one for the community the way you are going. Not one for the community the way you are going. Slavery get digital now. Ayaw. This is why your spiritual now. Wow. The Bible tell me live in peace with all men if possible. The Quran said if you kill an innocent man, you kill the whole of mankind. The verse them can't find. Them only want for bust 9 hearts of men get unkind. But me done for them strategy. Best Sadducees and Pharisees. Them dwelling in sin. Isaac and Ishmael, them are the same kin. Frequency, them and they throw them offline. Searching for something where them can't find. Biggest enemy that I can.
Move out my way. Me and my somebody. Move out my way. Me and my somebody. I know your body thinks so. My sister come from Kingston. Girl wine down syndrome. I'm gonna touch she gone when she drink rum. Guns, back it up, I'm a Burberry shots. I'm a fucking off that Lamborghini.